Morning students. In last video we have learned about the mode and median, right? So once again just will repeat it. What do you mean of mode? The observation that occurs most time is known as what? Mode, right? And for that what we have to do, we have to arrange in ascending order and then after find out which is occurs maximum number of times. So it is what? Mode. Then after median. So in median, if we have odd number of observations, so whichever in the middle is a what? Median of the given. But when we have a even number of observation, then we get two mean, right? Median, right? Two middle observation is the what? Our median. What it? The median is the what? Mean of the two middle observation. So whatever two middle observation, so what we have to find out? Mean of them, mean of it, right? So whenever the same example will come, we'll explain you, right? Now see, let's go for the second. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. See, find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? Let's try to find out how many players. 11 players, right? They made a score like such: 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15, right? Find the mean, mode and median. Now first of all, let's see, go for mean. Now what do you mean of mean? What is the formula? Mean is equal to total runs upon total number of players. Yeah, number of players, right? Here asking for the what? Players and runs. So now total runs. So what to do? Add it. 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15. Let's see. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 upon 11. Okay. Now do the total. 6 plus 15, 21, right? 21 plus 120, 141 plus 50, 1 4 plus 5 9, 191. Then after 100, so 291, so 291 plus 80, 7 1, so 371 plus 10, so 381. Then after 15, so 396, right? Plus 8, so 396 plus 8, so 400 and 404, right? Plus 10, so what? 414 plus 15, so 4 plus 5 9 2, 429 upon 11. Just now let's divide. 429 divided by 11. 11 3s are 33, 4s are 44, so it is more, so 3s are 33, right? So 2 minus 3 cannot, so 12 minus here 3, so 12 minus 3, 9, 3 minus 3, 0, 9, so 11 9s are 99, 0, 0. So 11 how many is are 39. So we can say the means of the given runs is 39 runs. Understood? From the given data, the mean of the given data is 39 runs. Now then after what we have to find out? Mode. So which is the point we have to keep in mind? We have to arrange in which order? Ascending, right? Which order? Ascending order, right? See out of them which is the smallest. 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 6. Then after 8, after 8, 10. 10 how many times? 2 times, right? After 10, 15, 1, 2, 3. How many times? 3 times. 15, 15, 15. Then after 50. Then after 80. After 80, 100. After 100, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See in it, 15 is occurs 3 times. How many times? 3 times. So we can say the mode of the given data is 15. Understood? 15 runs. Now next is median. See how many observation we have? A odd number of observation, right? Odd number of observation. So what it is? The middle. So 11 times observation. So 5 on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As well as 5 on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is, which is in the middle? 6 observation is what? 15. So we can say the median of the given data, median is equal to 15 runs. Understood? Sure. So here she asking, find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? No, all the three are not same. The mean is 39, which is different than the mode and median. So all of you understood how to find out? Sure. Mean, mode and median. Okay, good. Now let's go for the next example number 3. The weight in kilogram of 15 students a class are 38, 42, 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38 and 47. How many? 15 students. So let's count. Total observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What to find out? Find the mode and median of this data. So let's see. First of all, mode. So for that, what we have to do? We have to arrange in which order? Ascending order. Right? Now ascending order. See which is the smallest out of them. Maybe the 32. And which is the highest? Maybe 50, right? So we'll start from the lowest, 32. After 32, 35. After 35, 36. Yes, 36. After 36, 37. After 37, 38. Right? 38, how many times? 1, 2, 3. 38 is how many times? 3 times. After 38, see the 39 is not, right? So 40. Yes, 40. Then after, no, 41. So 42. Right? After 42, 43. 43 is number of times 1, 2, 3 times, right? 43, 43, 43. After 43, no, 44. So 45. After 45, 47. And last is 50. Understood? So now total how many observation we have? 15. So which is in the middle? 8 observations. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, as it is another side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So which is the middle observation? 40, right? Which is the middle observation? 40, right? It's a 8 observation. First of all, what we have to find out? Mode. So mode means what? The observation which is occurs maximum time. So which is occurs maximum? 38. How many times? 1 2 3. 38 occurs 3 times. So we can say the mode of the given number is 38 kg, right? Any other is same number? Yes. See, the 43 is also how many times? 3 times. 38 and 43 occurs how many times? 3 times. So we can say the mode of the given is 43 kilograms. So there are two modes, 38 kilogram and 43 kilogram. Got it? Now next is median. See, already we have discussed about it. Total we have 15 observation, out of them which is in the middle observation 8, right? So what is the middle? 40 kg. So median of the given is 48 kilogram. Now then, after, is there more than one mode? Yes, we have two modes, 38 and 43. Got it? So now let's go for the next example. Example number 4. Find the mode and median of the data is your homework. Okay. Then after 5, tell whether the statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes, the mode is always of the given data, right? So it's a true sentence. Now second, the mean is one of the numbers in a data. No, it is a false, because for the mean what we have to do means what? Average. So it is not necessary every time we get the number which is observed, right? Now third, the median is always one of the number in a data. The statement is false. The statement is truly true only if the number of observation is odd. If we have an even number of observation, then it is a false. Got it? Now last one. The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. See, this statement is also false, because the mean of the given data is not a 9 of these data, right? If you want to see 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9, right? So we will not get mean 9. Definitely it will be a more than it. Understood? Total observation how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So whatever sum we get, we have to divide it by 8. So we get more than it. So we can say out of 4 different statements, only first is true. Otherwise, remain 3 are false. Got it? So like this way, our exercise number 3.2 is completed. Okay. Now in next period 2, we will learn about the bar graphs as well as double bar graph. Okay. Bye.